Hello, it's Lena. Today is Monday and I just received our weekly Misfits Market box. I'm going to show you what I got and walk you through the process of ordering cheap organic food delivered to your door. This video is not sponsored. It is an honest review and you will be able to see all the benefits and flaws. The things I like most about Misfits Market are, first, the fact that they deliver organic produce, and second, how easy it has become a routine. Every Tuesday at about 4 p.m., I receive a notification from my Google Calendar that it's time to order. I choose what I need for the next week and order it right away. Then I can forget about shopping, choosing, and getting food, because next Monday in the morning it will be delivered to my door. As for the flaws, here I can see how sometimes the website just doesn't want to cooperate. After about 5 minutes of refreshing the page, I could finally shop. And here I'll just leave you with what I decided to choose for this week. I never have any plans for what I'm going to cook, and I try to get these plans while shopping. But I do think that it's so much better and easier if we first decide what you want to cook and then you choose what you need for every dish. I was shopping for 4th of July week, so it was much bigger than a regular shopping for an average week for us. If you are interested in price comparison with Whole Foods or any other online store, comment down below. In one of my previous Misfits Market videos, I touched a little bit upon what can come rotten or not in a great shape from Misfits Market, so if you want to check it out, here is the link. It came out to $111 plus $5.50 for shipping, and as I said before, it's more than we usually spend on weekly groceries from Misfits Market. Usually we spend about $75–80. It is summer, so the boxes came with biogel that you can safely dump in the sink or garden or freeze again and reuse later. Mushrooms, a little bit smashed this time. Shiitake and oyster before. Instead of cremini mushrooms, I got shiitake mushrooms, which I'm absolutely okay with. I ordered yams and no potatoes. But for several weeks already, they just send me potatoes instead. Sometimes an item or two are refunded. Rarely they just put something I didn't order at all in the box instead of something they ran out of. If I am to compare the freshness of produce, I would say it's very close to Whole Foods. Some items can come rotten and many fruit aren't exactly ripe. Berries never came rotten, but I myself would buy such rotten berries from a local Heinz before. This is it for today's video. Thanks for watching and see you later. Bye.